Here we come to the elevator at the Gittings building. This is the original elevator, and this elevator is most likely Montgomery, but it did get a little bit of a mod at some point. It's got our cab view.
Emergency light is aftermarket.
Yep, aftermarket emergency light. Let's go down to 1.
I guess this is a like 90s mod.
Yep. Big jolt, relay logic. Capacity 2,000 pounds. ADA compliant phone. And we'll see if it rings the bell. Yep. Here we go to 2. We'll take 2 rides. Capacity 2,000 pounds. Indicator is burnt out. Door closed when you push the button.
Relay logic.
Yep, relay logic. EPCO, fire service, EPCO, SurvivorPlus. Download some fixtures.
It's just got a slap on.
Yep, this is a slap on. Here we are on 1. No classic level, unfortunately. Let's go back up to 2 and we'll hear the motor this time.
I checked the phone. Got on the board.
Was that you or the elevator? Was that you or the elevator?
Me.
Oh. There we go. Original controller, installed in the 60s, modernized in the 90s. Here it goes, and that's it.